How to get baby face naturally, how to get rid of those wrinkles and stay younger. You will look beautiful and younger. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. So consider subscribing to this channel if you love beauty tips and health tips, because I share health tips and also beauty tips like this. Tips that will help to get rid of those wrinkles, making sure you are looking younger all the time. In case you have been following me, you will notice a lot of improvements because I'm far looking younger. Yes, I'm looking younger. So you have to continue watching because I have few ingredients you can find in your kitchen that will make you look younger all the time. This was by delaying signs of aging, fighting free radical damage that makes you have all those lines, fine lines, all those folds, neck wrinkles and the rest. So you just have to use this the way I will explain to you for best results. With kitchen ingredients, you can achieve a baby face. Yes, baby clean face without any side effects, purely natural. So you have to just quickly get oat powder. Okay, this is oat powder, very smooth. If yours is not smooth like this, all you have to do is just to blend it, make it more smoother. So this is just going to keep your skin supple. We help to exfoliate your skin to remove dead skin cells. It will also help to moisturize your skin. For those that have a dry skin, you benefit a lot from this. So adding oat powder or oat flour into your skincare routine will help you greatly to achieve that baby skin. So get oat powder, and you will surely need egg. Yes, egg. You will need the egg whites of the egg. Egg white is that clear liquid in the egg, not the yolk, not the yellow part. The white part, the one we are going to be making use of, will help to delay signs of aging. It helps to minimize the appearance of wrinkles on your skin, making sure you are looking younger. It tightens the skin pores, tightening your skin to make you look younger and removing those wrinkles finally. And the yellow part of the egg, which is the egg yolk, will also help to make you stay younger, okay, fresh and younger. But it's mainly to keep your skin well moisturized. So in case you have a dry skin, just mix the both, egg yolk and egg white, and you're all good. I have an oily skin, so I don't need egg yolk. I don't use it. And the next one to use is aloe vera gel. I love this type mostly because the fresh aloe vera gel can irritate some people's skin, okay. It has a way of irritating some people's skin, making them to have an itchy skin, or developing bumps. If you know you have sensitive skin, that fresh aloe vera, the plant one, may not be right for you. So I always like this particular one, this cosmetic type, and I've been using it on my skin so well, and it has been working perfectly. Aloe vera will help to tighten your skin, will help to minimize signs of aging. It also helps to keep your skin well hydrated. Like those that have a dry skin, this is just perfect for you. Applying aloe vera will also help to soothe irritated skin, also help to get rid of sunburn. So adding it into these other ingredients will help perfectly to make a perfect mask that will ensure you have a younger skin. So get a mixing bowl. Make sure the bowl is very clean. So you have to add your egg whites. Remember, if you have a dry skin, very dry skin, mix the both egg white and the egg yolk. So after doing so, you have to measure the right amount that will suit it, and that is why I'm explaining to you, okay. Measure 2 tablespoons of oat powder into the mixture, 2 tablespoons. Then you have to go ahead and mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. So mix these 3 together. Just go ahead and mix them together using a clean spoon. So when you are done, if your remedy turns very thick, just add a little water or rose water. If it's in a watery form, go ahead and add more of the oat powder, to thicken it, and you're all good. But make this treatment to be in a thick paste, not watery and not so thick. Before applying this treatment, make sure your skin is very clean. Wash it thoroughly. Use a mild cleanser or a mild soap. Wash it off, remove all makeups, then use your hand to apply it on your skin, or use a brush to apply it. After applying it, leave it on for 15-20 minutes. If you have so much wrinkles on your skin, just leave it on for more than 20 minutes. Okay, so when it gets dried, you will know, because you'll be feeling the tightening of your skin. That is to show you that it's time to wash it off, okay? Use a lukewarm water to wash it off and you're all good. Go ahead and apply a light moisturizer on your skin to lock in moisture. This is just a simple way to achieve a baby skin. Go ahead and try it. Mix these 3 ingredients, these 3 kitchen ingredients, and you never regret it. Your skin will look so soft, well exfoliated, very beautiful and younger. With consistency, you will achieve a younger skin, baby skin all the time. So use this treatment 3 times weekly only for best results. Use it morning or night anytime, but it should be 3 times weekly. Store the remainder in the refrigerator to preserve it for next use. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.